our favorite corned beef hash recipe, my dad got from Mrs. Rigby, who was the jail cook at the Mobile County Jail in the 60s and 70s. She used the canned corned beef for it.
Was she
That's
Eleanor?
the only thing that canned corned beef. I don't know what her first name was. It was Ms. Rigby. No.
Not Eleanor. Not
Rigsby.
Eleanor.
Rigsby.
Rigsby. All right.
Yeah,
I'm sorry
Rigsby.
about
Rigsby Road off of Tanner Williams Road
that. Okay.
was because Ms. Rigsby lived at the end of the house. Her husband was the custodian of Big Creek Lake.
Okay.
Or watching. That was the only house that is legally allowed to be built on the shores of any Corps of Engineers home. And I think the house is now gone. I don't think it's a residence there anymore.
Oh, okay.
But that was where she lived, was the only house that was on Big Creek Lake. And but she used the canned corned beef instead of regular corned beef because it was, jail cooking. It's better. Now that canned corned beef, you take it out trying to make a Reuben's, terrible.
Yeah.
But makes great corned beef, and then just diced potatoes for the rest. And, cooking oil and onions.
Yeah.
It really is good. And